Right, move the side panel off. Removing the installation just to check. Basically you want to replace it with some similar stuff. Actually better stuff. I mean, we have advanced in the last 30 years, I'm sure. And basically you never know what's behind the panels until you take it off. On that side all of the insulation had been taken off already. I think basically to get a bit more space in the cupboards, but yeah, that doesn't help the cause, right? So
that's coming up neat and clean.
Yeah, that's my dust getting spread around.
Yeah.
The last thing is this corner here. Take that off. This whole side has already been done. This bed above the seats in front has been taken out, and what a lot of space that gives us now. Just opens up everything. And now we've basically emptied the bus. We're going to remove the floor, the tiles anyway. Get it ready for our new flooring. Hopefully our new insulation will arrive. And yeah, we can start making progress to build up again now. Tearing it down has been quite quick. I think a couple of days. I mean a couple of half days.
It was easy, sure. Yay!
Well, I've taken off these panels on the corner here, and you can see there is no... It's actually fiberglass, this back corner, which is quite interesting. But that gives us the opportunity, obviously, to put in more insulation. I just need to clean it up a bit and do the floor.
Cool.
Look at those lovely tiles. I love it, man.
Beautiful.
So basically the front of the cab area has now been opened up completely. There's a little orange cabinet here next to the driver's seat covering those wires, which is not really necessary. I can get a bit of an idea of the size of the bus. Look at that. Go on, dude.
Mon Dieu.
Cool.
This is sticky.
Sticky, bro. Tell you what, we've been stuck here for a while. Filth.
Right. Oh.
Wow, check it out, dude.
Yeah, yes.
All of the floor out.
Oh, sure. Oh. Yes.
Now we got it basically back to bare metal wooden floor.
Oh, wow.
Looking pretty good.
Yay! This is so cool, my word. Now we can measure up and figure out where the holes are, what needs to go where, and do a proper plan. This is what I've been waiting for, because now we can really figure out exactly where our bus is going to go, where our bed is going to go, where the kitchen is going to go, how wide the kitchen units can be, how wide the shower's going to be, the toilet, where we're going to fit all our clothes and shoes and food and all kinds of exciting things. Now we can really start planning. Yippee! This is awesome. I just want to say thank you very much to John and to Jill and to Karen and to Mum because your lovely little contributions have helped us buy this baby, which is going to take undo all of these planks, and this is going to be the side of our bus. So thank you very much for being part of our little project. Cool. Yes. Mon Dieu. This is like super hard work, especially when the blade isn't so sharp. We're getting that.
This is where we make a little plan of what we do with the van.
You can see why this is my favorite tool. Brilliant for everything.
Spray paint or something.
Oh, I don't know what it is.
Wow.
Mon Dieu.
Clean.
Cool. Yay. That works. Is it beer time? Yes.